This video is not sponsored. Oh, hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at this vision aid. So I've got a proper professional magnifying glass which is lit and is exceptionally useful for repairs, but unfortunately after quite a few years of use it decided to break on the elbow of the joint which flexes the thing up and down. That's quite expensive, so I didn't want to just go and buy another one without looking at what the alternatives were. So I saw this vision aid, which is basically a headset, and it has the advantage that you can work on a board or whatever it is you're working on, with or without your glasses or contact lenses, without having something in the middle or having to get out a microscope if it's something quite small. Now, I'm not saying that this kit will replace a microscope, but it is stereoscopic vision because it's you seeing things with your eyes. Unfortunately, I can't show you what I see because that's in my head, right? That's in my own eyes. But I just wanted to go through what's in the box and what it costs and what my experience is so far. So I got this on Amazon for £30, and there's actually a website there, visionaidmagnifier.com, and if you open it, it's a nice little case, and inside you have a number of things. So this is the headset first and foremost, and it's got a rechargeable battery in it, and there's a charging port there for micro USB, and on here we have a tippable LED light. So if I turn this on, we can see it does shine down on the surface of what you're looking at. Not particularly bright, and it's probably worth having another light source to give you plenty of light on the subject, but nevertheless it is there. It comes with also five different lenses. I'm not sure what the diopter size of those is, but this is the thickest one. You can see how powerful that lens is, so that would be for the closest inspection to a very much less thick one here. Now I thought when I looked at this, this is not going to work, but actually I'm pleasantly surprised with it. Additionally, in here we've got a little charging port connector cable so that the headset light battery can be charged up. I assume it's lithium polymer or lithium ion, and it also comes with something which I haven't yet used, but it's a little tether basically, and I think this goes around your neck and it just stops you from dropping the glasses on the floor, I guess. So there's that, and that's really all there is to it. So it's a very short video. As I say, I can't really show you what I see, but I can tell you that I've used it already twice now in the last week for repairing some boards, and for actually creating a little, not a breadboard, but a breadboard type affair, really using variable. Yeah, that's it, really. Just wanted to show you that. I will link this in the description for the video, and you will be able to go and decide whether it's for you. And there you go, Vision Aid. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and have a great day. And I'll see you next time.
It's gonna be alright.